WSHZ 389 monitoring. Nothing. Oh, little baby radio, I so much want to like you, but you're making it really freaking difficult. The Tidradio, the acclaimed Tidradio TD-H3. This is a sad story, I guess. I purchased one, I don't know, a week or so ago, which would be this one over here. I did a whole unboxing of it. It's gotten rave reviews on the internet. YouTube has praised this radio like no other. It's so cute, it's so small, it's so capable, and it doesn't work. I have a friend who lives not even probably a quarter mile away. He can't hear me on this thing. I honestly don't think I could hear myself. I don't think this radio transmits across the street, to be honest with you, and that really sucks. So I'm like, okay, well, we got a bad one. It's all right, you know. I contacted, Amazon and did the return, and I said, I'm not giving up on you, buddy. Send me the exact same thing. I'll ship this one back. Everything will be fine. No harm, no foul. I'll have to wait an extra day to play with my cool little radio. That's okay. This one shows up in the mail. I'm excited. I break it out, try to make a contact. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So I'm like, what is going on here? So I gave my buddy Dan a call on the phone and told him what was up. And so we're going to do a little test to show you that this thing, radio number 2 in a row, TD-H3, I got to think it's just a bad batch, but it is not working. It is not putting out any kind of power. I've got it set on high power. I've got all the settings. It's straight out of the box on high power. This thing should be working. GMRS, channel 7. There's no way that this thing will key up our local repeater. Even my other little GMRS radio that I've got, which is a UV5G Baofeng, that one won't key it up either. It's 5 watts. The only ones that will key it up are the 10-watt radios that I have that theoretically they would key it up, I guess. Because, I'm not supposed to be using ham radio on GMRS frequencies. So, of course, I have not done that. However, this is a GMRS TD-H3. We're going to go ahead and do one last test before this one gets shipped back off to Amazon as well. And Tidradio, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to crap on you. I know that this has just got to be a limited production issue, but at this point, I just can't keep ordering the same radio over and over and over, hoping that I get a good one. So my time with TD-H3 is about over with as soon as I make the trip to Kohl's to return both of these radios. It's sad, but let's go do the test. Maybe something miraculous will happen, and it'll just start miraculously working. I'm hoping and praying. So let's go to the test. Okay, so here's a little test. And this is just to prove that I have had two of these TID radios not work right in a row. So I'm thinking it's just a bad batch because nobody else seems to be having this problem. But I've got my Baofeng UV5G over here, and then I've got the Tidradio TD-H3. Both of these are GMRS radios. I've actually got both of them with the Tidradio 771 antennas on them, so it should be, they're both 5-watt radios, and I'm going to attempt to talk to my buddy who is no more than a quarter-mile away. He lives basically in the same neighborhood, just a few streets that way, and so this is as line of sight as I can get to him, you know, other than some trees and some houses and stuff. I mean, we should be able to talk no problem whatsoever. So I'm going to just key up the radio. He's waiting there listening, so we'll see if he hears me or not, and we'll just go from there. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Tidradio H3. This is the second one that I have had the same issue with, which it's basically just not putting any power out, and I really wish that I had a little watt meter or something, but I don't. But this is the easiest way for me to do it. So WSHZ 389 monitoring. WSHZ 389, Dan, you got a copy? Okay. We'll turn the volume down on that one, turn the volume up on the Baofeng. WSHZ 389, Dan, you got a copy?
Yeah, go ahead.
Just getting a little radio check from you here. This is one of the radios. If you could just tell me how this one sounds compared to the other radio, if you can even hear the other one.
Right now you're no static at all.
All right, turn the volume up on this one. Okay, Dan, do you have a copy on the Tidradio H3? Tidradio H3 GMRS, do you have a copy, Dan? WSHZ 389. Yeah, I just tried keying up that Tidradio, and you weren't apparently hearing any of it.
No, I did not hear anything since my last transmission.
All right, well, hey man, I appreciate the comeback, and appreciate the little test there.
Okay, yeah. Let me know if you want to compare anything else. I'll be hanging out here, WSTI 313.
Copy that. Thanks a lot, Dan. WSHZ 389. Well, there you have it. Little TD-H3. I'm sorry that somebody's underpaid little fingers didn't assemble you correctly, or use some subpar parts in the manufacturing. I don't know what happened to you, little buddy, but you're gonna be going back into the depths of Amazon Returnville. So I guess I'm just gonna keep rocking with the Baofengs for now until something else comes along that you know, gets me excited. I was really super excited for this because it's such a cute little radio, but it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I don't want to just listen. I want to talk. So that's it. That's the whole kit and caboodle. This one's going back. This one's going back, and I will be Tidradio-less. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider giving me a subscribe, maybe a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Am I doing something wrong here? I really don't think I am. I've got a few of these radios, and this is the only one. These are the only ones that I've had any issues with. The OD Master app has been working great. I love the app function on that radio. I want to like that radio so bad. So straight out of the box, though, these things should be working. High power, it should be working. So I don't know. I'm not holding it against the company. Just stuff like that happens. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and God bless.